I'm Shani. Today I'm going to explain on the topic electric field lines. Last class we are already discussed electric field. What is electric field lines? It is a straight or curved lines in a region such that the tangent gives the direction of electric field in that region. First I have drawn already this diagram. First we have to consider one point charge. We have to consider one sphere. In that sphere we have to consider one point charge plus Q. Okay. Then we know that it's a plus Q charge. The direction is radially outward. We are drawing this direction. We can, according to that electric field lines, we can draw like this. Okay. If we are making this straight line, electric field lines we will get like this. This is second diagram. Here is Q is greater than 0. Next case, here we have to consider that negative charge. Then we know that electric field lines are always radially inward. In this case, Q is less than 0. Here is third case. Here we are considering one side is plus Q charge, another side also plus Q charge. Okay. Here first case we can give here QL. Second case we can give here QS. Then center here is neutral. N means that is neutral point. What is neutral point? There is no charge. There is no electric field lines. That's why electric field lines we will get like this. This both side it is ripples to each other. Then last case we are to consider that. In this case we can consider QL is equal to QS. QL is equal to QS. Then last case we are to consider one side is positive charge, another side is negative charge. Here one side is positive charge, another side is negative charge. Then we know that it starts from positive to negative. That's why I have drawn like this. Electric field lines are straight or curved lines. If we are drawing, we are considering one point, that is P. If we are drawing this line like this, we will get this tangent shows the direction of electric field in that region. If we are drawing this tangent gives the direction of electric field in that region. Here is we have to like this we will get positive to negative. Then what are the features of this electric field lines? What are the features? First feature is NCERT textbook. They have given many features. We are discussing at least six features. First is it starts from, okay, we are already drawn diagram. Here is one plus Q charge. Here is another negative charge. It's starting from positive to negative. Direction from positive to negative. In this case, it starts from positive. It starts from positive and end in negative. First feature is this. First property is this. It starts from positive and end in negative. Second, already we discussed. This is electric field lines. If you are drawing this one tangent, this tangent gives the direction of electric field. Tangent gives the direction of electric field in that region. Then in this case, second, tangent gives the direction of electric field. Direction of electric field. Third one is it cannot intersect each other. It cannot intersect each other. Why it is not cannot intersect each other? One line is coming from one side, another line is coming from another side. Then it is intersect. If it is intersecting each other, we will get two direction. It is not possible. It cannot intersect each other. Cannot intersect each other. Next point is, it cannot form a closed loop. It cannot form a closed loop. Okay. Then in case of magnet, it can form a closed loop. But in case of electric field, it cannot form a closed loop. It cannot form a closed loop. Next property, electric field lines are very close. Electric field lines are very near. For example, we can draw electric field lines are like this. We have to consider one charge plus Q charge. Here electric field lines are very close, very near. That time it's a very electric field. That means force strength is more, intensity is more. Electric field strength is more. In this case, here also we can consider one charge. Here is field lines are far from each other. Field lines are far from each other. Then here is force is very weak. Electric field is very weak. Strength is weak. That's the next point. Okay, close to each other. Close to each other. Strength is more or force is more. Force is more. Far from each other, that strength is very less. Next, last point. An uniform electric field. Last class we are already discussed. In an uniform electric field, electric field lines are parallel to each other. Electric field lines always parallel to each other. Last point, in a uniform electric field, electric field lines are parallel to each other. In this class, we discussed first electric field lines. The next is what are the properties of electric field lines. First property, it starts from positive and end in negative. Second is, already we are considering one point in that electric field lines. This point gives this tangent. If you are drawing one tangent, this tangent gives the direction of electric field. Third one, it cannot intersect each other. If it is intersecting each other, we will get two directions. That is not possible. Next, fourth point, it cannot form a closed loop. It cannot make a closed loop. Next, fifth is, electric field lines are close to each other. That electric field strength is more, force is more. Electric field lines are far from each other. Electric field strength is less. Last point, in a uniform electric field, electric field lines are parallel to each other. Thank you. Have a nice day. Tomorrow we will discuss on the topic Gauss law and its applications.